In today's class, we will do addition and subtraction of decimals. If we have to add or subtract the decimals, we have to follow the given steps. First is change to like decimals. That means the numbers which are given to us should be in like decimals. Then second, place the addends in columns such that decimal point in addends are in a vertical line. Means in the whole part we have to place ones digit below ones digit only, tens digit below tens digit, and decimal should come in a line. Add as in the case of whole number. Then we have to do addition in the similar way as we used to do for whole numbers. And then place the decimal point in the sum directly below the decimal point in the addends. So where the decimal point is put in the addend, just directly below that we have to put decimal point in the sum also. Let us do some questions to make it more clear. Arrange in columns and add. Few decimal numbers are given to us: 1.573, 8.4, 19.538, 0.32. We have to arrange them in column and add. So first thing we are going to do is convert them into like decimal. So 1.573, then 8.4. Only one digit is there after decimal, so we have to add 2 zeros at the extreme right of 4. Then 19.538, here already 3 places are there after decimal, and then 0.32. Only 2 places are there, so add 1 zero at the right of 2. Now write them in column. So 1.573, 8.400. The next number is 19.538. So in 19 we have 2 places in the whole part, ones place and tens place. So ones place, that is 9, will come below 8, and tens place will come at the left of 9. Then put decimal point 538. Then last one is 0.320. You can see the decimal points in all the numbers are in a single vertical line. Now we have to add all these given numbers. So 3 plus 8, 11, 1 carry, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 1 carry, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 1 carry in the whole part now. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 1 carry, and 1 plus 1, 2. Now we have to put decimal just below the decimals in the addends. So here after 9 we will put decimal point. So the answer is 29.831. In the next part, numbers given to us are 1.00, 1.010, 1.1, 0.011, and 0.101. So as you can see, the maximum number of decimal places in these numbers is 3. So 1.002 are there, add one more 0. Then 1.010, here already 3 places are there. Then next number is 1.1. 2 digits are less, so add 2 zeros here. Then 0.011 and 0.101. 101. Now all these numbers are like decimals. So arrange them in column 1.000, 1.01, 1.100, 0.011 and 0.101 and add them. So 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, here also 2, and in the whole part 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Now put decimal below all the decimals in the addends. So the answer is 3.222. Next is subtract 89.955 from 195.06. So let us first convert both the numbers into like decimals. So it will be 89.955 from 195.060. Now subtract them. So we will write 195.060 up and then 89.955 and then subtract them. So 0 minus 5, we have to borrow from this 6. 5 will be left here and it will be 10. So 10 minus 5, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Here 0 minus 9, which is not possible. So borrow from here. 4 will be left and here it will be 10. So 10 minus 9, 1. Now 4 minus 9, not possible. So borrow from 9. 8 will be left here and it will become 14. 14 minus 9 is 5 and 8 minus 8, 0, 1. Now put the decimal point here. So the answer is 105.105. In the next part, the numbers given to us are 2992.102 from 4992.103. As you can see, both of these numbers are like decimals. So directly we will arrange them in columns and subtract. So 4992.103, 2992.102. We have to subtract them. So 3 minus 2, 1. It will be 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. And 4 minus 2, 2. Now we have to place the decimal just below the decimals in the above numbers. So the answer is 2000.001. In the next question, it is given that cost of a toy is 608.50 rupees and the cost of a t-shirt is 58.75 less than that of a toy. That means the cost of t-shirt is 608.50 minus 58.75. So we have to find out the total cost of a toy and a t-shirt. So firstly we will find out cost of t-shirt. So cost of the toy is equals to rupees 608 0.50. So cost of t-shirt, it will be equals to rupees 608.50 minus 58.75, as it is 58.75 rupees less than that of a toy. So we will subtract it from the cost of toy. So 608.50 and 58.75. Subtract them. We will have 0 minus 5, not possible. So we will borrow from 5. 4 is left here and it will be 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 7, not possible. So borrow. 7 will be left here and it will be 14. 14 minus 7, 7. Now here 7 minus 8. Again we need to borrow, but here we have 0. So borrow from 6. 5 will be left. Here 9 will be left and it will become 17. 17 minus 8, 9. 9 minus 5, 4 and 5. Put the decimal point. So we got cost of t-shirt equals to rupees 549.75. Now we have to find out total cost of a toy and a t-shirt. So total cost of a toy and a t-shirt is equals to rupees 608.50 plus rupees 549.75. So arrange them in column 608.50 and 549.75. Add them. It will be 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 1 will be carried. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 and 9, 18. 1 carry. 5 and 6 plus 5, 11. Now put the decimal point. So it is equals to 1158.25 rupees. So the answer is total cost of a toy and a t-shirt is 1158.25. In the next question, it is given that Pankaj bought 72.50 kg ghee and Ravi bought 95.80 kg ghee. So how much quantity of more ghee is bought by Ravi than Pankaj, which means we have to find out difference in both the quantities. So quantity of ghee Pankaj bought equals to 72.50 kg. Quantity of ghee Ravi bought is 95.80 kg. So difference in quantities is equals to 95.80 kg minus 72.50 kg. So we have to subtract both the numbers, 90.80 and 72.50. Subtract them. 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 5, 3, 5 minus 2, 3, and 9 minus 7, 2. Put decimal here. So answer is Ravi bought 23.30 kg more ghee than Pankaj. In the next question, sum of two decimal numbers is given to us 150.86. One of the number is 78.65. We have to find out the other number. So sum is given, one of the numbers is given. To find the other number, we will subtract the given number from the sum. So sum of two numbers is equals to 150.86. One of the numbers is 78.65. So other number is equals to 150.86 minus 78.65. So arrange them in columns and subtract. 6 minus 5, 1, 8 minus 6, 2, 0 minus 8. So here we will borrow, it will be 10. 4 left here, 10 minus 8, 2. 4 minus 7, again borrow from here, 0 and 14. So 14 minus 7, 7. So the other number is 72.21. This is the answer. Next question, we have to find out the sum of difference between the decimal numbers 100.98 and 84.26 and the difference between the decimal numbers 66.25 and 46.18. This question we have to do in three parts. In the first part, we will find out the difference between 100.98 and 84.26. In the second part, we will find out the difference between 66.25 and 46.18. And in the last part, we will find the sum of both these difference. So let us start this question. 100.98 minus 84.26. So arrange them in columns. 100.98 and 84.26. We have to subtract them. 8 minus 6, 2. 9 minus 2, 7. Here 0 minus 4, so borrow from 1. It will be 0, 9 and 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 8, 1. And put the decimal point. So difference between these two numbers is 16.72. Now the next two numbers are 66.25 and 46.18. We have to find out difference between them. So 66.25 minus 46.18. Subtract them. 5 minus 8. So borrow from 2. 1 will be left. It will be 15. 15 minus 8. 7. 1 minus 1. 0. 6 minus 6. 0. And 6 minus 4. 2. Put the decimal here. So it will be 20.07. Now we have to find out the sum between 16.72 and 20.07. So 16.72 plus 20.07. We have to add them. So write them in columns. 16.72 and 20.07. 2 plus 7, 9, 7 plus 0, 7, 6 plus 0, 6 and 2 plus 1, 3. Put decimal here. Answer is required sum is equals to 36.79.